So we're off to a waterfall that we don't know where it is. We got some great instructions courtesy of Matthew Jang for the love of the city right here.
Wow, shout out.
Shout out Matt Jang over in London. So there's no sign here.
There's a sign?
There's no sign. There's no parking sign. He said it's like a 10-minute walk. So we're here.
And then right through there.
We're here and we're going there. All right, we're gonna start this. So far we see a path here.
Let's take it.
We're gonna take it because we have no idea where we're going. This is gonna be an adventure. Do we see a path?
No.
Sabrina. No. Can we hear anything? Wait. Shh.
Yeah, I can hear highway.
Wait, hold on, let me see if we're getting closer.
Are we?
Okay, we're gonna go back this way.
We're going back.
Huh?
We're following
Is there any chance what?
I don't know. Oh, is there any
We
chance?
didn't put bug spray on.
Yeah, you're right. All wrapped up. Wait, and look at that thing.
Guys, there's a path this way. I think. Okay, maybe not this way.
Maybe more that way. Okay, but the waterfall is that way.
Here, help me interpret Jang's instructions because I'm a little confused.
Sabrina whipped me with a branch and then I pulled up another one.
I want to try. Whoa! Whoa!
Get me. We're making music, everybody. I can't do it. Whoa! We're gonna keep trekking.
We're going back to the car for bug spray.
Dude, I see socks, I see a GoPro, I see keys, I see a towel. It's
You
on the
see keys! Open the car door! Oh my heck!
We're looking for the bug spray.
Why do you think we went back to the car?
Gosh, we're idiots.
Oh wow, what's up? Okay, good news. We found the right path. Maybe we'll run into that. Okay, another update. We're in this bamboo forest. It's kind of cool, but we lost the path. We're just gonna keep going straight because it looks like we're getting closer. No, we're getting closer.
I don't like that at all. I don't like that chair.
Weird random chair. Alright, let's go towards the chair.
Oh my gosh, you put the chair in the middle of the forest. Chelsea, this was cool, it's kind of creepy. What's that? I don't know.
Okay, we're good. We're almost there.
What is that? I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna fall through. Spider web? The crap was that? Do you hear that? What? You know? That.
It's just the cars.
That's not a car.
Onward.
Yeah, that's creepy, Chelsea. Look. Chelsea.
What? What?
There's a car thing hanging from the tree. No, straight. Look, straight in front of you.
There's a car thing up there. We were wondering the same thing. Interesting.
Yo, I don't like that.
We've been walking this way. We've been walking in.
But we were walking like that way and this way.
I think we're all turned around. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
We're gonna follow our path back.
Yes, we're getting closer. It's by the ruins. We're at the ruins. Oh, cool. Let's go. Let's go check it out.
Everybody, follow me to the ruins.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, we're getting closer. That's good. That's a good sign. Look at that tree. Wow, this is kind of. We're on a real adventure, guys. We're on a look at the ruins.
I've been here.
Okay, come on. We're in the right direction now. All right, guys. We found the ruins, so we're kind of going in the right direction. This is really cool, though. We should look up the history of this.
We're in a palace right now.
So we're currently in the ruins of King Kamehameha's summer palace, right? The third summer palace.
I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1980. I'm 6 now.
Check
Might
it
be
out.
over now, but I feel it still.
Cool. Sabrina, stand right there. Picture.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
Alright, so we're gonna set up the shot. Sabrina is gonna be the model. I'm gonna be on camera, and Rachel is gonna be leading me. So we're gonna I'll set the GoPro up so you can see all this happen. It's gonna be funny.
Are you gonna put music over this?
Yes.
Okay, so I can like tell you if there's like bumps and stuff.
Yeah. So
Grab your back, yeah.
yeah. And just pull it back, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, hold on. That was good. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was good. We did it! Success. Our new plan of action is that we're just gonna follow the sound and hope. I feel like I hear it too. Yes, I think we're getting closer. We're getting closer for sure. Yep. We're on a path. We hear water. We'll be there soon. Okay, back to square one. Lost again. Gotta find a pipe. That's what we're looking for. What? Okay, we didn't find it, but we found water. We didn't find it, but we found the water, and we're gonna follow the stream. We're still lost. Kind of.
No, yeah, we are.
So, for this easy 10-12 minute walk, this might be a big fat fail of a mission. I think this might be, no, it wasn't a full fail. You're right.
It's not over yet.
Because we might find it at the very end, like, we'll see. What is this?
It's a clearing.
What do we see?
I've never been so happy to see flat, clear land. Are we just like popping out of the freaking forest?
Basically.
This clearing?
Guys, I bet you it's right here. Honestly, guys, you should have seen the amount of effort we went into finding this, and it was just right there. It's right here!
Great rock now. I'm not even joking.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
So bad. We're gonna talk about
walking.
We're gonna talk.
3 hours.
We've been walking for 3 hours. We're gonna talk about this in the car, but it is right there. We're really mad at ourselves. Hey, all adventures can't be successful, but we're gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna make Sabrina come with me. Oh man, what an adventure! Look at my shoes, or my slippers. They're caked in mud. Thoughts, anyone?
I'm pissed.
How did today's adventure go?
It didn't go.
It didn't go.
I mean, it went.
It
went, but it didn't happen.
What was supposed to be, I think I said at the beginning of the video, was a 10 to 12 minute walk, according to our friend. But ended up being what?
3 hours.
What did we learn? What's the lesson of today?
Sometimes
Follow a
you
trail.
can follow a trail.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes, but like, I mean, we found the ruin.
Yeah,
that was
cool.
really cool. And we wouldn't have found that if we went the right
if
way.
we went the right way.
So honestly, that was like,
You made
That was my
Sometimes you
favorite
can find
part.
some cool things. Get lost.
Even
Yeah.
if you're there, you go. That was deep, Serena. Sometimes you can find cool things, even when you're on the wrong path, or even when you're lost. I mean, do I regret? Oh. Whoa there. Stay put. Do I regret it? I'm not gonna say no.
No.
I'm not gonna say no.
No, I don't regret it.
I'm
no.
bummed.
I'm bummed. I'm like
bummed
upset
that
that
I
we
I'm bummed because
I'm
we
upset that
literally we
spent-
found it.
We
Like,
found it. That's the upsetting part is that
if we would have got down to the waterfall and been at the right location, honestly, it would have been like such a great story, even though we
Yeah.
got lost for like 2 hours. But the fact that we had to like leave knowing where it is,
yeah.
but just like we were running out of daylight, so
Yeah.
like
It's just like for like to be safe, like we had
Yeah.
to be.
No,
we had
I
to
think
be-
be
it's a
safe,
good
guys.
idea. Anybody want a pretzel? Always buy rolled gold. Yep, always.
Sponsored
It's the
by-
best brand. It's the best brand. Don't let anybody else tell you differently.
I'm trying. My hands are all
Alright,
That's a wrap.